Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents.
This man found out that salt, pepper and lemon can solve these 10 problems better than any medicine. It's that time of the year when flu and infections are on their highest streak. So we are all trying and desperately looking for the ultimate and the most effective weapon to protect ourselves and fight against the colds and the flu. All the governments in the world advise us that we should all take antibiotics and shots to fight against the cold. But you shouldn't do that. A lot of people in the world still use natural homemade remedies to fight against these conditions. You should do the same thing. Here are 10 everyday health problems you can cure with black pepper, lemon and sea salt. Number 1. Sore throat. Relieve a sore throat. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a full teaspoon of sea salt into a glass of warm water. Gargle several times a day to soothe a sore throat and prevent coughing. Number 2. Stuffy nose. If your nose is clogged up, you can relieve stuffiness by getting yourself to sneeze. Simply mix equal amounts of black pepper, cinnamon, cumin and cardamom seeds into a mortar and pestle and grind until you make a powder. Slowly smell the mixture and embrace the sneeze. Number 3. Clear gallstones. Gallstones are hardened deposits of digestive fluid that can form in your gallbladder. They can be very painful and clog up your digestive system. Typically, the stone have to be surgically removed. However, some people find relief by taking 3 pats of olive oil and 1 pat each of lemon and black pepper to dissolve the stones. Number 4. Canker sores. To promote healing of the mucous membranes in your mouth, dissolve a tablespoon of Himalayan salt into a cup of warm water and swish it around your mouth after every meal. This will help clear away bad bacteria and promote healing. If you are brave, add a little lemon too. It will sting, but your canker sore will quickly melt away. Number 5. Weight loss. To boost your metabolism and shed a few more pounds, drink 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water. The polyphenols in lemon will prevent weight gain and improve insulin sensitivity to help you burn fat. Additionally, the pepperine in black pepper will prevent the formation of new fat cells. Number 6. Nausea. Black pepper soothes an upset stomach while the scent of lemon can stop nausea in its tracks. If you are feeling queasy, combine a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with a teaspoon of black pepper into a tall glass of warm water. Drink slowly for lasting relief. Number 7. Asthma attack. If you have an asthmatic family member, prepare this mixture and always keep it on hand. Add 10 grains of pepper, 2 clove buds and 15 basil leaves to a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for 15 minutes and strain into a glass jar with the lid. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey and let it cool. It can be refrigerated for up to 2 weeks and taken with milk to improve the taste. Number 8. Toothache. Heal your aching teeth by mixing half a teaspoon each of ground pepper and clove oil and applying the mixture to your sore tooth. To avoid toothache, floss and brush your teeth twice daily and avoid sugary or acidic foods. You can also try oil pulling for an extra deep cleaning. Number 9. Cold and flu. To heal a common cold, squeeze half a lemon into a large cup of boiled water. Let the pulp and peel steep in the water for 10 minutes. Remove the lemon and add a spoonful of organic raw honey. Drink as needed until symptoms subside. Number 10. Nosebleed. To stop a stubborn nosebleed, apply a little fresh lemon juice to a cotton ball and place it in the nostril. As you do so, make sure the patient is tilting his head slightly forward to prevent the blood from dripping into the throat and causing nausea. The nosebleed will stop in no time.
Try out these remedies at home and share your experience in the comments section below to help others learn that which remedy had worked for you the best. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.